linear equations in two variables. Now let us see equations of the form x is equal to a and y is equal to b. What does this exactly mean and how the graphs of these equations are? For that I need a graph paper again. So here is a graph paper. Let me consider an equation of the form x is equal to a. So any equation which is of the form x is equal to a represents a line, but that line is parallel to y-axis. So any equation of the form x is equal to a is a line parallel to y-axis. Let us take an example. X is equal to 2. Now can we say x is equal to 2 is of this form x is equal to a? Yes. X is equal to 2. Instead of a we have taken 2. So this is a line parallel to y-axis. So this is a line parallel to y-axis. Let us see how. First of all, plot x is equal to 2. That is, we know this is x-axis. So on x-axis, find out this number 2. So this number 2 lies to the right of 0 over here. So x is equal to 2. We have identified this x is equal to 2 as this point. Now, this x is equal to 2 now is a line parallel to y-axis. So draw a line parallel to y-axis passing through this point 2. So I need to draw a line like this. So this is my required line, and this line is nothing but the line of x equal to 2. That's it. Parallel to y-axis. As we know, this vertical line is nothing but y-axis, isn't it? So this x is equal to 2 is parallel to y-axis. Let us change an equation. Let me take, say, x is equal to 8. Now we will again identify this number 8 on x-axis. So here it is. 8 is over here. Now again, this x is equal to 8 is nothing but a line parallel to y-axis passing through this point 8. So I need to take this line, draw vertically, put two arrows at the end, and then again I can say x equal to 8. So this is the line of x is equal to 8. Let us change one more line. Say I have x is equal to minus 4. Now identify where does minus 4 lie. Minus 4 lies to the left of 0 on x-axis. So again we can identify minus 4 is over here. We identified the point. Now we need a line parallel to y-axis passing through this point minus 4. So clearly the line will be like this. So we can say x is equal to minus 4. So in this way, all the lines which are of the form x is equal to a are nothing but lines parallel to y-axis. Now in the similar manner, we will see how to draw the graphs of line parallel to x-axis which are of the form y is equal to b. For that, if we are having y is equal to b, then such lines are parallel to such lines are parallel to x-axis. Now let us see an example. Suppose if I have y is equal to, say, 4. Now y is equal to 4. Can I say this is of the form y is equal to b? Instead of b, we have taken 4. Such lines are parallel to x-axis. So this line is y-axis. So let me name this y. We know this is x-axis, so this can be named as x. So on y, first of all, identify this point 4. So on y, the point 4 will lie upwards over here. Y is equal to 4. Now this is a line y is equal to 4 parallel to x-axis. So let me draw a line now. So here is the line. Now I can say that this line is parallel to x-axis. You can name this line as y is equal to 4. Let me take one more line. Say I have y is equal to minus 6. Again on y-axis, this is minus 6 over here. We know that this line is going to be parallel to x-axis. Let us draw a line now. So here is the line. So this line again can be named as y is equal to minus 6. So this is what you are supposed to remember. It is a simple topic. Any equation which is of the form x is equal to a is parallel to y-axis, and any equation which is of the form y is equal to b is parallel to x-axis. So give the geometric representation of y is equal to 3. So we are going to draw y is equal to 3 as an equation in one variable and in two variables. So in one variable, it is very simple. First of all, we need a graph paper. The only thing that we are supposed to remember is in one variable, y is equal to 3 will be considered as a point. Y is equal to 3 is a point in one variable, and in two variables, y is equal to 3 will be considered as a line. So any linear equation in one variable is basically a point, and in two variables it is a line. So if we want to draw the graph of y is equal to 3 in one variable, I'm just giving a basic idea. Take only one axis, put two arrows at the end. In one variable means we are talking about this part, that is y is equal to 3 considered as a point. Just mark 0 over here. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have -1, -2, -3, -4. So we have this number line. One number line is enough to plot a point, and this over here 3. Just make a dot over here, and this dot is nothing but y is equal to 3. So this is the geometric representation of y is equal to 3 in one variable. So in one variable it is just a point. You can see this is just a point over here. When we talk about y is equal to 3 as a linear equation in two variables, it is a line. So to draw a line, we need x and y, both the coordinates. So this is x axis, this is y axis. We know y is equal to 3 is nothing but, we have seen a topic now. It is of the form y is equal to b, and any equation which is of the form y is equal to b is parallel to x axis. So first of all, y is equal to 3. So this is the point of y is equal to 3. And I have to draw a line passing through this point parallel to x axis. So here is a line for you. So this line is like this. That is y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 in terms of two variables will be a line, you can clearly see, and y is equal to 3 in terms of one variable is just a point. So these are the two different graphs, that is geometric representation of y is equal to 3 in one variable and in two variables.